vlog. I'm currently with Mario and we're on our way to IKEA and it's a grand opening, so it should be fun. And then there's Giovanni. Is it a she or he?
He.
He's Italian.
Yeah, he's Italian.
He's Italian apparently, and he doesn't like vaping, so that's why I can't vape in here. So see you when we get there. Bye. We have fruit water here. They also gave me this. Apparently it's a jar opener. I don't know what it is, but he gave it to us.
Pine right there.
We've been at IKEA for like 5 minutes now, and so far I've gotten a hot dog and he's gotten a panda. Show your panda. Is the $6 worth it? What is it, a dog? Oops, oops. Where'd it go?
He's lost now.
Mario. Mario, are you still here? We've been in IKEA for like 2 hours now. I'm getting pretty sleepy. So far, I have this box and a candle. And it smells like vanilla, so it's pretty good. What did you get so far?
No, all I got is a candle.
Hey vlog. So we've been at IKEA for a really long time because we got lost, right?
Yeah.
We spent about 30 minutes trying to find out how to get out, and we finally figured it out. We finally saw a sign that says back to entrance, and we're walking back to it, so this was fun. They don't give you bags, so I'm here carrying all of my things. Oh, it's cool! We're leaving IKEA now, sadly. Bye IKEA.
Bye, IKEA.
Bye IKEA.